loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing yet again another first impressions. I went into the Walgreens at the city where I work in, and to my surprise they had the new Maybelline Superstay foundation stick. I'm so psyched. So this is what it looks like. Okay, alright, and I got mine in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. It does have like a sponge on the other side. I will use it for the sake of this video, but if this isn't my shade, it's 120 Classic Ivory. The next one up is 130 Buff Beige. That did look a little bit too dark for me, but I did just order off of Amazon some by the Body Shop darkening drops. I looked them up on a couple of YouTube videos, and honestly, I'm hoping they will work for foundations that I had for the winter. Without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video, alright? So we're gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiant Pink Primer. Let's try this out. Alright, so that's one downside of this so far before we get into putting the product on is that is all the product it has. That's it. That's it. Just that product. That's it. So, and with the Fit Me, look at how much more that is. And I've already used that a lot. Look at that. That's insane. But we shall see. I love the liquid one. Hopefully I like this one just as much. I hope so. Alright, so we're just gonna put it on. Oh, let's lower that a little bit. We're gonna try this little sponge, see how that works. Ooh, I just tapped on it and look at it. I literally just once. And look how much product it takes off. That is incredible. That's not good. That's a lot of product it took off. A lot. A lot. Oh no. Nope. Nope. We're gonna go in with our damp beauty blender. Real Technique sponge. Oh yeah. Oh, what a difference. Look at that. What a difference. Oh, I got my mirror right here. So that's what I'm looking in. That's a perfect match. Look at, I feel like this is a little too bright. Let me just lower my ring light a little. Much better, right? I feel like I was a little too washed out. Yeah, much better, right? I needed to lower my ring light. I was too washed out. I want you to see the product. Alright. That's what it looks like. It looks bad. It is my color. It does match. Perfect. Let me grab a mirror so I'm not like looking down too much. Oh, wow, I like it. It looks pretty good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back with the finished look, because this is just first impressions on the Superstay foundation. So we're back, and this is our completed look. Alright, so with this foundation, I will say it does dry down matte like it's supposed to, yes, but it does kind of dry down with like a powdery finish. So when you add your loose powder to bake and your pressed powder, I feel like it is a lot of powder, kind of. I don't like the application on my nose. It's already like kind of breaking up a little bit. I tried to apply more after, a little bit more, because I wanted a little bit more coverage on my nose and I didn't like how it looked. And yeah, so this is just the first impressions. Just because today it didn't really work out, maybe it's the primer. I'm going to try different primers, different pressed powders, and I'm going to try it over the next couple of weeks with different products with it. So I do like it, I will say that, but I don't know if I'm liking the liquid one more. I really can't give a definite answer on what I like more, because we have to try it for like at least 2 weeks to know if we like it or not. So I will do an updated review on this foundation, I promise. So we're gonna wear it for a couple weeks, we're gonna test it out, and I will, if it's not in 2 weeks or maybe a month, I will test it out and I will do an updated review on it, I promise. Alright? Thanks for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription box below, click the bell right next to it so you get new notifications on when I post new videos. Alright? Like I said, thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye!